What up, Austin? Oh, what up? What up? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. All right. Well, can we do it again? Can we do it again? Big news coming out in 12 minutes. Dude, I don't know why they didn't give me all my PA accounts yet. What up, Code? Oh, there we go. So I'm keeping it reals. I went 3 for 3 yesterday, and I almost passed a fourth. I'm going to risk 3 accounts today. So if I lose, the pass rate is still 50%. Good morning, Monet. Yo, Code, how funny is that shit? I don't know. I'll be honest with you. This is a complete dice roll. I only have ever played delayed non-farm payroll and CPI. I don't think I've ever done it. So I grabbed 3 Apex accounts. This is what I'm rolling with. Yesterday fucking passed. Premature stimulation. That's because they got news coming on at 8:30. So why not do a little fucking YOLO to start my day? I agree with you, Code. I agree with you. I don't think we're going to make new highs. I think we're just going to come. I think we're going to travel into here and then probably reject is what I would guess. Either into here or maybe as high as 25.8 and then kind of spill back over. If we go to all-time highs, I don't see that happening, but fucking like eventually you're going to. Like, let's be real. Like, you're going to at some point. Yeah, I think we're gonna like come up and then kind of reject back down and probably fill this gap. I would say maybe, maybe even lower. Obviously everyone's fucking hyped up on Nvidia earnings. But we'll see what this brings, right? DeWood. Where? You're gonna see it live. I'm gonna move it depending on where we're at. Depending on where we are at is where I'm going to be placing. Is where I'm going to be placing it. That's the deal. My morning coffee. Dude, it's fucking cold up in my office, though. Usually I have the heat on for like 20 minutes at least. It's like a frightened turtle up in here, man. It's got to be like 48 degrees in my office. Just remember, do not use any good accounts. You know, don't use any good accounts. You know all the stuff, right? Oh, no. Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. Cove, which copier do you use for Tradeify to trade news on multiple accounts? Bracket orders can't be copied. Yeah, I use Replicanto. So basically, here's my Replicanto. I set this up here, and then I trade this main account over here, and it transfers everything. That's how you do it. If so, I paid full price, but so two things. One, if you use, I think it's Cove 20, you'll save 20%. But I would wait for Black Friday. They're probably going to run even a better deal. That's like not going to be my code. I'm just being honest with you, try to save you the most amount of money. I think Black Friday will be a better deal than using my code. So if you could wait until next week, I would wait if you want to get Replicanto. They might do like 50% off or something. It's lifetime. But you guys can watch. I'm going to trade the real fast. Let me just freaking look at something. I'm going to trade the open, so you'll get to see. I'll trade the open. So a lot of the times come, what do you call it? A lot of times come Black Friday, you're going to get the best deals on all trading software. So trading software is going to be, so I'm going to do 77 ticks is my TP, but it goes past that every time. Yesterday I did 77 ticks and I made $3,300, $3,500. So I might just do a clean 80. Now, mind you, I've never done this with delayed data, so this might fucking go nowhere. I might get wicked in and fucking out, but I went 3 for 3 yesterday. So if I lose, 50% pass rate is great. They're going to drop delayed non-farm payroll and I think CPI right now, right? I believe it's CPI also. Oh, man, my fucking hands. Time to friggin' YOLO. Yo, what up, Q? I'm going to try riding the news wave right now. Then after news, obviously, I'll set everything up for I'm trying. Dude, I fucked up because I had to do something important after trading yesterday. So I missed the open and I said, like, I want to buy the open and just kind of hold it. And sure enough, I would have gotten more than enough to be done for the entire day. But and then I left an order at like, dude, I left an order at 25,018 and I didn't get filled. I would have gotten filled at like 5 a.m. I went to bed and just left it in. Shit would have been awesome. Now remember, even if it goes your way, the software could fuck up and you can blow your accounts. You can't do this with funded accounts. I wouldn't do this with any evals that you care about. I wouldn't do this with any accounts that you actually like. Is that a good? I would not follow me. Do not follow. That's my disclaimer. Do not do this with anything. Don't do this. But I'm going to do it. You can watch me. You can definitely watch me do it. So we did this with NVIDIA and and it worked, obviously. I love doing this shit. Disclaimer in place. This is not financial advice. Consult your financial advisor about doing this. That's what you should do. You should consult your financial advisor about YOLOing on non-farm payroll. Let me know what he says. Then tell him you're buying Drake's Dong coin. See, I'm worried about the downside that they kind of stop it at 100. Oh, man, I got to stretch my fucking. So I went to the gym today, man, and this fucking. I had to move out of the way for some fucking guy, for some older guy. And of course, I hit my calf on like this metal bar sticking out. I think we're going up. If I had to guess, I'll see you over 25,200.
Order rejected. Order rejected.
Boom. Bro, that was the worst fucking candle of life. That might be the worst non-farm payroll candle I've ever seen. Cove, sometimes it will be your own homies that keep your enemies updated. What? Dude. If you didn't get in, I would fucking exit, to be honest with you. Look at this. It's going now. Dude, that's wild. Is this account still available? What is this? I got $77 of drawdown. How do I got $77 of drawdown? Oh my God. Bro, this is $77 of drawdown. Bro, if I turn $77 of drawdown into a pass, no fucking way. No fucking way. I'm not going to do it. They're going to stop me out here. Yeah. Dude, that was fun. That was fucking hysterical. I didn't even know I had that account. All right. So 50%. 50%, it works every time. What sucks is if I went less contracts, I guess you would have won. That was the worst non-farm payroll candle I've ever seen. What'd you do? I guess you bought small. You did not buy 7 contracts. Probably the smarter thing to do. I had a feeling it was going to go up. I should have just fucking bought right beforehand. Should have just bought 10. I should have just bought. Yeah, there's a lot of slippage. Dude, numbers are favorable for rate cuts. That means it's bad. What, bad for the economy? The numbers are shitty for the economy, but we need rate cuts. I love how it's presented. Yo, as long as the guys on Wall Street are making money, we don't care about actual people. Nobody cares about actual people. Just as long as the people on Wall Street are making money, we're good. Fucking wild. Yo, that's how it's presented, though. Bro, it's wild. Let's see what I got. I got any evals? I got 2 evals here. Full TP. Fuck them. Yo, like Dave Chappelle said, fuck them. That's why. I might grab 5 micros here. Only an eval. I wouldn't be trading any funded accounts. Yo, anybody thinking we just sell off today, like at like 9:45, and we just fucking completely don't? Usually non-farm payroll is good, but I think because it's delayed, nobody really gives a shit. Like I said, I've never played delayed non-farm payroll. I guess you got the move, right? It kind of went up 100 points, but it was like weird. This shit's going to go up a little bit in the morning and then die out. That's the move. That's what I'm looking for. came down to London Open. London Open is somewhere around here. Yo, you didn't get filled? I wish I didn't get filled. I'm not playing this anymore. I just took a small shot on an eval. Tag me on TW? What? I don't. What's TW? Is that Twitter? Oh, I saw it this morning. Yo, yeah, I hit the heart button. I saw it this morning. That's fucking awesome. Now, how far to a payout? How close are you to a payout? Because I can't see a thing. Oh, all right. I'm thinking we rip early on and then we're going to dump. It just looks like I don't know. It looks like we're going to dump. What up, Tommy? Obviously, it's bullish that we're over 25,000, but I don't trust this shit. We took out Asia High. Actually, this is a great fucking short. You took out Asia High, came back, retested, and dumping. For the stream, we're going to do this for the stream. I'm just going to sit in this. I'm just going to sit in this one. I'm going to let it ride. I'm going to let this one marinate. Boom, 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 boom. So I need to turn the fucking sounds back on. This is why I don't trade pre-market. I feel like there's lack of volume. What do I need to get up here? I need to get my quant tower up. This is what I do every morning. Got to get my quant tower up. Yo, morning, Double O. Hello, BK. Just algos bouncing around. Just bouncing around like things at the beach. Man, this is going to fucking pop, isn't it? This is going to fucking pop. I personally refuse. It's going to go right through. Dude, if they put a nice red candle in back down at 85, it'd be money, money. Dude, that's crazy, Richard. I hope it all goes well. That's crazy. Richard, you got to trade with a SIM account in the morning and then switch to a real account after you're down 1,000. The morning's not for you. You say it every day. But I wish her the best, man. That sucks. What up, Brandon? Yeah, I fucking seen that. Fucking. I will just make it back. I will just make it back. Where the fuck is it? There we go. Oh, I fucking hate morning trading. So I'm setting up my Shiznik right now. This shit's just going for it. Dude. Look at that. I went long. They stopped me out. You go short. It's just an algo fucking cite. What's gold doing? Gold's kind of breaking out on the hourly. I took this because yesterday I fucking had this and didn't short it like an idiot. It took previous day high and then it came back through. And I was like, oh, I'm going to short this. And I'm like, oh, no, NVIDIA earnings. So that's why I shorted it, just in case it was the fucking top. Apparently it's not. It's the sim market makers. What up, Cash? Knob, you botting people today? How many people are you going to bot today? Just wondering. Going around botting everybody's stream? I'm watching. I feel like the bots are going to come in 30 seconds. And then all of a sudden they magically come in 30 seconds. Bro, it's just hysterical, man. I found that to be so freaking amazing. So stupid. So stupid. You almost got to laugh, right? Dude, he's just fucking, he's got zero payouts. Like, we all know that. Zero. Talking about zero payouts, I got to move my money from Rise to my bank account. That's what I got to do. Use that money for fucking Black Friday. Yeah, Marie, but it was like delayed and it was fucking weird. It was like, it was delayed. It went up a lot, but like it went up and then like came. Do I have a second? Watch this. So like it had this like pop just enough to get you in, and then it literally came back like almost 30 points and it just sat there. It wasn't like the normal ones that just like pop up. It like popped just enough to get you in. It came back just enough to blow your account and then push up. Yo, what up, Sean? I ruined it today, Sean. Non-farm payroll ruined it. Yeah, I passed 3 also with you, Andy. Dude, I wouldn't fucking mess with. Wow. All seriousness. There's so many good options out there. I wouldn't. I mean, you could still do it, Sean. You don't need me. You can still do it. I don't take offense to it. I'm not using Yerm. I'm not using Yerm. I'll probably wait to see if they're still in business in 6 months before I Yerm. Honestly, there's going to be some great deals in 1 week. Yo, you going to Yerm? Bro, it's like, yo, I Yermed all over her. Like, I'm not fucking, I'm good. Yeah. Yeah. Good morning, Mr. Mulatto. I gotta change that shit. Hold on 1 second. I gotta change the My Funded Futures thing. They're not running that thing. How do I do this? All right, now to buckle up because I have a feeling this freaking morning is gonna be all over the place. Dump. I have a feeling we rip and dump. Yo, I had Chat GPT make me some YRM things. I guess if you have to use them, I guess if you have to use that firm, YRM stands for you're really miserable. What up, Boogie? The problem, I'll be honest with you, the problem about crypto, I know nothing about it. Like, I know he did it and whatever, but like, you can use $100 and use leverage in your own money that you don't need a prop firm. You know that, right? It's different than futures. Crypto is different than futures. Like futures, I can't 100x, right? On crypto, I could put $100 in and get leverage if I want. You can use your own money. You can use a small amount of money in crypto and make it a large amount of money. You don't need a prop firm for that. That's, I want to say, what the difference is between crypto and futures. I trade small money. Well, I'll throw $50, $100 trades in all the time, and they'll net back over $100. Because you got leverage in crypto. It's different. You know what I'm saying? Like, I wish him the best, but like, there's not a need for it, like in the future space. You know what I'm saying? Anybody that trades Anybody that trades this is gonna dig its own grave. Should just keep. I just don't think. I didn't even understand the website. I looked at it. There was like no profit targets. Like I just didn't understand it, and like I'm not doing it anyways. Not there. I think there's a space for crypto prop firms. I just, I think it's different world because you have the ability to stretch your dollar elsewhere. Like you can go use $100 and get $1,000 worth of buying power. You know what I'm saying? That's my only thing. The fact that there's no central exchange, what with crypto, I think the biggest, I mean, I use a broker, I use Mexi, but I think the biggest issue with crypto is like if you go to send money and you're one digit off, it's gone forever. So what I do is once my Mexi account hits a certain level, I send it to a Binance, not a Binance account, a Coinbase account, and I just get it off of Mexi because I don't trust an account that all you need is an email to sign up. Like my name isn't on it; it's just an email address. It's not even my email address. It's sketchy as hell. Now, if you go on different platforms, the price of Bitcoin actually changes. So at one point, dude, this is going to sound crazy, but I did it a lot. At one point, you could buy like Bitcoin from like, say, Coinbase, right? Transfer it to Binance and then sell it on Binance. Yeah, the arbitrage, Tommy. Yep. Fucking, it was crazy. It was crazy. I was doing it at one point a bunch of times. This is like 2017. You just keep circling the money around. Yeah, that shit was wild. I think you could still do it. There's automated Bitcoin. Is it, dude? You're gonna get me to look at this. Yeah. I would look into doing that, Tommy. Like have some arbitrage BTC bots because they're not trading. All they're doing is buying and selling. You know what I'm saying? Like I would do that. I would get a platform and run those 1,000%. I'm gonna set up my copy trader. Look at my quant. I'm just setting up my quant tower real fast. Trillions. It's a lot tighter now that. Yeah, I didn't know that, Tommy. I'm not in it. Yeah, Ange. I'm live. We live. I'm gonna set up my trade sinker. I'm just setting up my copy traders. Well, you're going to see me risk it for the biscuit here in the morning. Know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? What's up, Chris? Dude, you've been into crypto since 2016. Yeah, I got in 17. Multi-day rally. I think we're going to pump it and then we're going to dump it. That's what I think we're going to do. If I had to guess. If I was a betting man, but I'm just going to play whatever it gives me. What up, Tack? Listen, you just play what the chart gives you. You don't have to get all crazy, but we are up 500 fucking points already. You know. We're up 500 points. That's a lot of points. Yo, Tack, where are you at? Oh, dude, you're in Sweden? Wait, did you switch your fucking name in? Did you switch your name in Discord? Yo, what's your name in Discord? It's because somebody posted a snow photo today. Is that another person in Sweden? Yeah. Oh, that's Ange. Ange is in Sweden also? I don't know where Ange is. They got a lot of fucking snow there. Yeah, I know, but somebody else is. I guess we have two people from Sweden on the. Ange is in Sweden also in the Discord. He posted a photo of a ton of fucking snow. Yeah, dude, Sweden representing up in here, dude. That's crazy. Is there poker tonight? I don't know. You got to ask Sean. Yeah, it looks like he's snowed in. There's a ton. I think we're going to go up for a bit, and then this is going to be one big fucking pullback. 20 degrees over normal highs. That's crazy. Yo, what did Knob say? I didn't even see it. Oh, is there poker tonight? Yeah. I am probably... Wait. I might be in for poker tonight. Hold on one second. I just asked my wife. I think she might have something tonight. I'm going to sound like an old man, but I want to throw in a crock pot of balsamic glazed pork tenderloin. My kid wants to have he wants to go through every type of animal and different part and taste it to see which one he likes the best. So we're testing everything. Half a dozen are retries. All right, 10 minutes. Yeah, I have a smoker out back. So we're doing like grilled right now, grilled or like marinated or baked, depending on what it is. And then we're gonna move to the smoker. I don't know. He just got so obsessed with it. I brought him to, I don't know if you guys have Wild Fork by you, but I brought him to Wild Fork. And they got a lot of shit in there. That sounds good, Knob. Usually I do venison chili because it's a little like it goes well in there. But he just wants it plain to see what, not plain, like seasoned and shit. But what up, LaRosa? Early stream, baby. Early. Morning to only the friendly people. LaRosa said the rest of you guys can fuck off. Only the friendly people. Just smoke chuck roast? Yeah. He's big into lamb right now. Yo, Buffalo's good. Buffalo burgers we did Buffalo burgers. They were good. We even did duck. Bro, never do duck burgers in your life, by the way. Duck breast? Yes. Duck burgers? Fucking way out on duck burgers. It's all good. Duck burgers weren't dry. It was like fatty because ducks are, Long Island duck is fatty. It was not fucking good. But he wanted to do it, so I did it. Oh man, I'm like, I can still taste that shit. I seasoned it and everything, man. It was bad. But we did duck breast with it's like a pineapple mango sauce. It was really good. It was really, really good. So I cook a lot. I keep it simple though. Yo, Peking duck's amazing. What are my ATM settings normally? It's like this normally. They're going to change, though. I'm going to change it in a little. Yo, I showed him. Yo, we went to bed. I showed him a Daffy Duck. I was like, bro, you just ate Daffy. What? No, I'm going to do minis at open. I'm going to do it all on this screen. All on this screen. You're going to see it all. So I have two different things I'm going to do. One, I'm going to try to play. All right, hold on one second. I got to get something that just delivered. And I got to get something that was just delivered because it's cold out by me. Hold on one second. Yo, I'm back. I'm back. We're getting Christmas. Do you think we have left the downtrend? I don't think you're going to break the downtrend. Here, look. I think we're going to trade into this fair value gap, this FVG, and then you're going to decide. Do not follow. Do not follow. But yeah, I mean, trend's still intact to the downside. You know, at this stage, you kind of got a channel going. What up, 420? Bro, played the song for my wife in the car. So my wife doesn't understand, like, the community, right? Because she's used to me just shooting the shit with people and fucking trading. But I was like, yo, somebody made me a song. And I was like, what? She thought it was like a real band that you had. Hysterical, by the way. So I'm going to try something. Yo, Trading Views. I'm going to try something today that I've never tried. So I'm going to let you know I'm going to try it in this account because it's an eval, and we're going to see what happens. Bro, the song was awesome. She doesn't get all the words, though. She didn't understand the Mayo thing. I had to, like, show her. What am I trying? I'm going to play the break of some shit over here, I think. Like, maybe like this high, like, you know, maybe play this high, or I might play the break of an area like down here and hold it for a while. But I need to see like a close. I'm not just any break. Do not try. Do not try. Dude, my stomach is fucking, I'm starving, man. I'll tell you what, I go into that sauna in the morning, man. It must burn some serious fucking calories. Does it? No, it doesn't even burn that many. Dude, they have a sauna calories burning calculator. Get the fuck out of here. Time in the sauna, 15 minutes. Holy shit. 15 minutes burns 125 calories? Dude, that's like walking for 15 minutes. That's wild. I'm probably just going to play the break right here. So there's two things I'm looking at. I don't want you guys to get crazy. There's two things I'm looking at. One, if we break over this high, I'm probably going to take it. And if we go under here, under 25,200, I'm probably going to take it. You work out in the sauna. So let me get this straight. I go to a class where there's a bunch of girls in tight workout clothes and they're sweating extra, so they're super glossy. And that's a thing that we can all go to. Tommy, why are you not there right now is the better question. Why are you not there right now? Tommy's the first person in that class, but he sits all the way in the back. Well, it's a private room. Can you get in there? Can you be part of the class? Dude, I got to look up Hotworks Long Island. Dude, there's a Hotworks by me. Oh, so you're in there with like, it's 3 people to a room? Bro, people are bike riding in that shit. Yo, how hot could it be though? Like when I go in the sauna, it's at 190, I think it is, or 194. The reader says this shit can't be 194. Sits back with his baby oil. Oh, it's 120 degrees. Yo, LI man arrested at Hotworks. Yeah, that's different. Yeah, my shit's at 194, it says. Yeah, Fahrenheit. You get that deep heat. Yeah, this is working out in the heat. That's what I was saying. Like, they can't be working out in the heat that. Everybody got their copy traders up. Everybody got their copy traders up. I'm still going to take this. I'm going to take. Dude, I'm going to take this with 5 micros, I think, right? This one's going to ride a little bit different, though. There's going to be a stop loss. We're going to go big dog style. Wait, what? Wait, now make it yoga so there's no possible way to avoid your head banging. I don't work out in the sauna, I can tell you that. There used to be a weird guy in my old sauna that used to sit in there with a Starbucks iced. It was an old guy that would sit in the corner with a Starbucks iced coffee, and he would never go work out. So all he would do is go there to have his iced coffee in the corner and watch dudes go in the sauna. I think I offended some guy at my current gym because he doesn't go in the sauna anymore. He used to lay on the fucking bench, butt ass naked, and you'd walk in the sauna and like there he is naked now, and he's like, "Oh, sorry, man." I'm like, "Bro, every morning I come in here and you're naked laying here. Like, what are you saying sorry for? You do it every day." Bro, he was just laying there constantly. Fucking I was like, "Dude, scratch, sniff." It was. I go to the YMCA. I used to go to Equinox. I mean, you know what Equinox is, right? You're in New York. I used to go to Equinox, which was obviously a fancy gym. I used to go work out there during lunchtime. Yeah, I mean, listen, you go right before lunch at like 11 o'clock, and you have every housewife in the area doing their gym class because they do that. They go shower, and then they go out to lunch together. Class was awesome. Gym was awesome at that time. I can't go anymore at lunchtime. So, dude, it was like Cougar Central, man. Now I go to the YMCA. I got a couple friends that go there that people I know, and yeah, the YMCA, it doesn't have that, mine's not crowded at all. Yeah, I go also, I'm there at 5:45 in the morning. So 5:45 in the morning. So I'm going to move this on my other screen so I don't freaking miss out, by the way. But yeah. If you go in the morning, you got a couple people there. Man, is this thing just going to go for it? Now, I'm just going to let you know, I play the open, right? It went on a hot streak for a little bit where I was hitting every day. It has dramatically pulled back. I want to say I'm like break even right now. So break even is winning 2 out of 5 days is break even. So I'm just letting you know because everybody's asking. I'm just telling you that it has pulled back. It was hot there for like 3 weeks. It was fucking on fire. I was like 4 times a week it was hitting. Yo, I almost forgot. Holy shit. Well, I'm just letting you guys know. The disclaimer is don't follow. You should ask your financial advisor about it. That's what you guys should do. Is you should ask your financial advisor about it. He would know more. All right, here we go. I like the upside better here, by the way. I don't like shorting into 25,200. Boing. All right, so I just took a short here. I'm out. I was just testing something. I'll be honest with you, it went way too fucking far down. But everybody make money on the real play? I copy traded it in some other accounts. Not a lot. Funded jobs. See, the problem with Quant Tower is fucking so delayed right now. Yo, Marie, $400, make her holla. Yo, freaking so fresh and so clean. That shit was good. I got to make this money back here. So I really want us to drop. All right. Let's see what we got going on here. I think you're going to get a little sell-off action. Kind of selling it off now. Oh, I'm just waiting. I want to get out of this zone. I want to get out of this area. I either break to the up or... Oh, Sean, I messed. Dude, I'm taking this if it goes over 53, by the way. Yo, every fucking stock is up in my portfolio except for PayPal. Just fucking kick me in the nuts. This thing's just going to go for it here. It's back over 200. I want to see it hold 200 is what I want to see. So I want to see this candle push actually over this high of 41. I think if it comes back down, I'm obviously completely fucking out, but if it can't hold 200 here, look at that shit. It's fucking crazy. I wouldn't trade any funded accounts here until you get lows taken out and then come back up, or we get some highs. Just an FYI. I have my copy trader ready. I'm 301. I need to be in here. I'm ready for the... Yo, bring an extra 20, Steven. Is ES running? Got to bring an extra 20, Steven. ES are highs of the day. it makes me just want to buy and hold the fuck it. Where the fuck is it? Oh yeah, ES is just pushing. Fuck it. I'll just let it move around. I'm gonna get fucked again. I feel it. I'm holding. I'm all in. I'm not fucking selling it. I'll just leave it. It's just an eval. I thought they would have dropped this by now, to be honest. I thought they were going to drop it right out of the gate to be reals, like hard. The fact that we're still staying up here is pretty interesting. I think there's just a lot of accepting of price going on. We get over I just realized because this is an eval, I could actually Yo, I can. I just added. It's an eval. It's not a funded account. I'm risking it for the biscuit. It looks like I'm going to blow it. Dude, this is a choppy fucking open. I wouldn't use any funded accounts here. This is fucking gross. The real break I want to see is over 54. Over this high over here. Doesn't look like it's going to happen. Cool. PayPal went positive by 1 penny. Smoked. Honestly, the best thing that could happen is this comes down. Because that's the trade that I want, is down and then back up. I got my funded account. I got my copy trader ready. Bro, I almost didn't take off my freaking... Dude, I almost didn't take off my copy trader in Pin Trade Sync. I almost forgot about it. Oh, this is gross. Yo, yeah, Sean. I wouldn't be trading any funded accounts here. I could tell you that. Especially that we smashed the open in funded accounts. You don't really need to do much. Think about it. We smashed the open. Murray made $400. Like that, that was the trade. There you go. Is it almost over the thing? Oh, to go pro? Dude, I was so pissed because I was talking to you guys and I was out fucking getting takeout while everyone's making money. Everyone was making money and I'm there picking up fucking takeout that my wife ordered at the wrong. It's like they have like 5 of them and she ordered it from the wrong one. 100, that's all you need. What you should do one day though is once you get like 100, you let it go to like 130 and then you move your stop to 100 and see how much it runs. See if it runs. See if you got a runner. Dude, this is gross. There you go, Ray. Yo, I just realized. Yo, did you leave CT hanging today? I'll be honest with you, it's not even it's a crappy open. La Rosa, super crappy open. I mean, the first momentum trade of the day hit. That's kind of what you want to see, right? We hit that. The rest of this is just whatever. But yeah, man, the what do you call it? As long as the open hit, I am pleased. One minute close over 54. I'm going to take this with 5 micros. Is that 50? Well, here's the close. Yo, why did it only buy one? Yo. Wait, what the fuck just happened? I only have one micro? Yo, how did I only get one micro? I'm going to add, by the way. Did I get taken out so fast that I couldn't move my stop? Is that what happened? My fucking alarm. Getting absolutely destroyed? I would play small. I would just play small. My fucking alarm's going off. Hold on. I got to hit the freaking button. And I got to... Hold on. Let me see what I got in my pocket, actually. I got to... Dude, I just blew that My Funded Future eval. That's not what I wanted to see happen. Yo, did you go edge to edge, you think? I'm gonna let it bounce around. I'll be back in literally 30 seconds. I just gotta look at this shit. Oh my god, no way. Hold on. Oh, yo, it's going now. There you go, Richard. Just stop. Man, this is getting right in that fucking zone. I'm just waiting. I'm wanting to take it north. I'm wanting to, but I'm not yet. Such shitty price action. Just watching. Yo, Lucid's probably going to run a crazy Black Friday deal. I'm in on that. Dude, this thing's just not doing shit. There's just no push. Dude, I don't care. You could. I like having everybody around. Keeps me interested during the day. Dude, this is fucking crazy. We're going to just take 5 micros. Take my $120. Oh, yo, Cove, I know a lot of people just show up for the giveaway. I want to say I really appreciate everything you've done for me, bro. Dude, I'm just here to help out and hang out, man. I try to have a really cool community of just people that are cool. You know, I'm glad that you guys are seeing benefits out of it. You know, that's what it's about at the end of the day. I'm not clicking the button for you, though. You know, that's you. I'll probably say like 85% of it is just mental, is getting over the hump of not revenge trading, you know? Not revenge trading. Yo, there's news in 2 minutes, by the way. TJ just threw out there. Not revenge trading, not levering up, you know. Some of us like giveaways in poker. Poker's freaking awesome. You know, maybe my style of trading's not for everybody. That's fine. You know, I'm glad, Richard, and feel free to ask any questions you guys ever have. I mean, that's what this is about. You know, I like to hear your input. Hey, I'm going long, I'm going short. Like, I'm always curious what everyone's doing. I like to hear, oh, I'm doing this, I'm doing that, and I look at all of it in the chat. So don't think I don't when you guys are saying what you're doing. I'm definitely peeking in and being like, oh, what's so and so, Dude, this is like it's moving without doing anything. Got wicked out. How did you like non-farm? Nah, it sucked because it didn't go continuation. It like went up just enough to get you in, came down just enough to blow the account, and then it pushed it back up. I fucking hated it. Non-farm payroll was such a dick to me, man. Freaking dick face. Dude, this is crazy. This is like this is slow grind if I've ever seen slow grind. Look at this shit. Like, do I just buy here? Let's see what happens. I'll fucking risk it. Watch them pop it to like 320 real fast on it. If they algo candle it up, I'm going to catch it. Yeah. Yo, every time I let the trend be my friend. Yo, Code, did you watch the Open today? I know you always ask me about trading the Open. Did you watch it or no? I did 2 minis and I copy traded it through a bunch of accounts. What the fuck is the top blue line following the candles? Oh, this? It's essentially it's the first hour of trading. Yeah, I don't know if I would short this. I don't know if I would even play minis right now. Like, this looks small, but this fucking red candle is 40 points. Yes. You play the first half? I never even looked at the first half, to be honest. The first half is right here. I just stick with what works. If that works for you, you should stick with it. If the first 17 minutes works, that works for you. If you do 8-minute abs and somebody does 7-minute abs, you should do that. What about somebody does 6-minute abs? Dude, you don't even break a sweat by 6 minutes. It's 7-minute abs or 8 minutes, whatever he says it is. Oh, man. Dude, that fucking movie is hysterical. What was that? I think it was something about Mary, right? Yeah. Shit was hysterical. Yo, I'm just peeing. Yeah, me too. We're all just peeing. Yo, we're all just peeing. Yo, that shit was so funny. I mean, we're moving around a lot, like distance wise, but it's definitely choppy. After 10, you just break even or start giving it back. Yeah, I make, so not today, obviously, but normally, like, if I hit that morning trade that you saw, and then I'll hit, like, we dump and I get it on the way back up, like, I could be done for the day sometimes after 10 minutes. But Code, did you see? Oh, yeah. You said, yeah, I saw. Okay. Because you always ask questions about it. So I just wanted to make sure you freaking saw it. But yeah. I'm just grabbing a 5-piece McNugget here. Just some fucking just nibble down some of the loss. Just nibble down some of the loss. I'm trying to think what accounts I still have to freaking trade. I have a Lucid account in Rhythmic. I'm just going to go all in right now. I'm all in on a Lucid. I mean, it's got no drawdown left. I'm just being honest saying I'm in, but I got in with 4 minis. I'm probably going to get smoked. The drawdown's nothing. The drawdown's like Yo, do you see me? Yo, this shit's working again? Yo. Yo, do you hear me? Bro, that was crazy. I'm just getting my trade evades back up. Yo, I ended up plugging my wire in to my system is what I ended up doing. I ran a cable from my computer to the actual thing. Just it's annoying because it's 100-foot fucking cable that obviously I can't leave up. Oh man, I'm just looking. Yo, it just fucking happened. It happened so fast. I didn't even know what happened. But yeah, so now I'm plugged into the matrix now. Not exactly sure. It should be faster. I don't know faster for you, but it definitely should be. It's fast. Should be faster for me because I'm not on Wi-Fi anymore. It's crazy that the stream stayed up. Yo, that would have been cool if it went below here and then back up. I'm just making sure. I haven't taken one besides the opening. I haven't copy traded one funded account besides the open. That's how you know this shit sucks. But yeah, I mean, I haven't taken one copy traded. Like, it's just not there. Anybody else doing anything in this shit? Boom, 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 boom. Now we're back in the freaking orb. Dude, they can't just let it go. I was short. Yo, all you got to do is hold. Hold on one second. All you got to do is hold. I'm just getting my charger. I got to get my freaking charger. Actually, hold on one second. Put it over here. Oh, you can get destroyed. Listen, I'm just going to. Oh, come on. I want to see it go below this blue line and then back up. Someone buying. Why? Where's Tesla going? Come on. So if Tesla runs 5%, it'll also come down 5%. They move. It definitely moves around. The big thing about Tesla is those Optimus bots that are like hanging in the back that people are all waiting for. Once they say they're going to be producing Optimus bots and that they're rolling them out in 3 months, you're going to see Tesla just take off probably. That's going to be their big thing for ages. Yeah, the Optimus bots are supposed to be the big thing. I mean, he did PayPal. I mean, he's done PayPal. He's done a little bit of everything. I wouldn't bet against him. I would not bet against him. I don't know what Dogecoin is. I don't know. No one fucking knows. Nobody knows. How will they know? How will they know? They'll never know. Yeah, I don't know. NQ is just dragging ass. It's so awful. Bro, I'm definitely not getting on the fucking gold train. That I could tell you. I'm so far off the gold train, you can't even see me. Dude, the gold train. Yo, every time I want to play gold, I get fucking destroyed. Except at night when I swing trade it. That's the only time it works for me. At night, swing trading it. That's all. Other than that, gold's not for me. Swing trade, yes. Anything else? No. Just doesn't work. Like, look at this shit. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Why are they buying Dogecoin, though? I don't understand. Is something going on? What's going on with Dogecoin that I should know about? Oh, shit. I think Dogecoin's a bunch of BS, to be honest with you. If you're asking me, oil is moving. Dude, I can't flip between oil, golds. I try to trade one thing. I feel like if I'm swapping back and forth all over the place, you're just like asking for it. Thank you. It's the only currency on Mars. By the time you get the news, it's too late. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, but who's buying? Like, are you going to buy Dogecoin? Anyone here buying Dogecoin? I just feel like I'm not. You got Dogecoin? Dude, this is fucking bullshit. I could make this go down just by buying it. I swear, I buy this, it goes down. It's going to go down. I follow the trend, and we're going to get smoked. 1,000%. See, if I would have followed the fucking trend. Yo, the trend actually just texted me and said, I will not rug pull your money again. That's what it told me. I will not rug pull your money again. I was like, oh, cool. I'm in. Watch, you ready? I should just buy it here. Trading is easy. It's just following the trend. Just follow it. So easy. Buy on green, sell on red. Remember those fucking commercials? I saw some guy on YouTube hit me with a commercial like that. Buy on green, sell on red. I was like, oh, that seems so fucking easy. I should try all these weird indicators and I should try all these weird indicators and fucking test it out and just make videos about them on how they work or don't work. Buy on green, sell on. I think Bitcoin hits 84,000. I've heard a couple people say 84,000. I'll be honest with you, when Bitcoin and crypto turns around, obviously it brings up the markets. That's been like the consent. I don't know what's at 84,000, but that's kind of what I've heard a lot of people throw out there. I want to say I heard people that I like actually know, like 3 or 4 people said that, like randomly. Oh, this thing just fucking. This thing sucks. Like, obviously, great we're up, but I mean, jeez. Fucking market. Market, don't go sideways because I need cash now. I should have just copied all my accounts on the opening trade. That's what I should have done. Very volatile. I mean, we're just in the same shit as we were. Man, this is rough. Dude, first half hour is always the best. Like, I'll be honest with you, Code. In the past, I've copy traded that first trade with like 12 accounts and literally been like, well, I'm done for the day. Sometimes there's not much more to do. You know, you're just done. Should have gone with the fucking trend. Here, you want me to go with the trend? I mean, just hit this 1 hour order block. So I'm not copy trade. I'm just going to take a small little piece. Small piece. F the trend. Tell me about it. Let's go. I'm just hoping they play range to range. So, like, it comes back down. That's all I was looking for. Range to range. Come on. I'm gonna take money here, I think. Oh my god, did I fuck this up? Tell me I didn't fuck this up. I took $120. I'm just gonna scalp a little bit here and there just to, it's freaking rough. Yo, later, Code. Dude, this thing just sucks. Oh, I cracked my back. Oh. I'm waiting. I would love to see a rejection here, to be honest. This is just freaking. Are they going to walk this up? You got a little cup and handle action going on over here. Over 310, I'll take a small piece and stop out below somewhere here. It's not that exciting. Dude, this is just. It's just awful. All right. We're going to go with the trend here. I'll add. Oh, if you're losing money, stop, AD. There's no reason to keep going. Definitely no reason to keep going. Do not keep going. Do not keep going. Man, this is fucking brutal. I would just let it come to you, man. I wouldn't force like, oh, I gotta pass this right now. Like, I would just chill out, man. I would just chill out. There's no reason to force something if the market's not giving you it. Look at that dump. Honestly, I almost want to take it short and stop out at high a day. If we bounce here, that's what I'm probably going to do. I'm going to stop out at high a day and let it move. What up, Fred? I want to get a little bouncy McBouncerson right here and then probably go to the short side. Fuck it. I'll see you below. I didn't realize how much money I made, to be honest. That was fucking quick. Come on. Come on. Stay below the orb. Dump it for Diddy. Let's go. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't. Come on. No. Get down. Yeah. Come on. Come over here. I got to tell you something. Come down. I got to tell you something. Oh, yeah. Whatever. That was fucking nice. That was nice. See, once we came up, you made a lower high and we couldn't actually break. That's when my bias changed. That's when my bias changed. We did it! We did it, Joe! Dude, that's fucking awesome. Oh, man. My wrist. My wrist.
We did it. We did it, Joe.
It may not be over. I'm just letting you know. The short may not be over. Watch it come down here, bounce back up, and then down and touch down here. I'm just not in it. I'm not just going to hold it. But I know some people just hold. I would say down, up, down. Yo, Fred. It's a good fucking move. I mean, listen, I wouldn't be surprised if we are in this area when the day closes. Wouldn't surprise me one bit. We don't have to get out of this area. Watch, we're going to get a bounce like around here. Right? And then we're going to come up to like 239, 240. And then we're going to sell off down. Let's see what happens. I might play this real fast. Yeah, I think it ends Monday for Apex. Yeah. Just watching. Shit's just fucking dumping. No. Guess I should have held my fucking short. Should have held the short. That's crazy. Dude, fucking wild. You know what, though? I'm okay with not holding it because I knew I was right at least. You know what I'm saying? Like, I made money. You know, it is what it is. You know, the next thing I got to do is maybe I took some off and I let some run. You know, listen, you're never going to catch the top. You're never going to catch the bottom. You know, all you're doing is looking for a piece of the pie in between. You know, I'm happy with what I did. Another bounce. You want to see it take these. You want to see this low get taken out, and then I'm in for a copy traded trade. FYI. I'm waiting for this low to be taken. Watching, waiting. I wonder if they take it out. Get this IFV. Yo, I would wait. You want to see it take out a low first, Flip. You want to see it at least get below 155. I just took my quant off, free up some. Come on. Come on. Come on, Dowd. Man, I wish I fucking held this. Holy shit. Come on. Get below, get below, get below. Just a little bit. I've gotten 5 my funded future payouts between this week and last week. I've gotten 15 prop firm payouts this this month so far. I'm watching. Do you guys hear that background noise by any chance? Yo, what's up, B-Mal? Yeah, I'm just waiting. Come on. I'm just waiting. Yeah, non-farm payroll was trash. You know what the problem was? It moved like a quick 30, 40 points up, got you in, and then moved down 30 points and then went. That was my biggest problem with it. It didn't move clean at all. I felt like if it was clean, if it was clean, it would have been real good because it moved up, which was nice, and it moved a good distance. It just didn't move the distance that I needed. What up, Jesse? When is the giveaway? I've been giving away knowledge. I just gave away this short. Did you miss out? I think you missed out. Should have been here. I smashed the video earnings yesterday. Yep. Yeah, I thought it would move one way or another, but it didn't. I'm giving away prop firm giveaway knowledge just before. I just gave away prop firm giveaway knowledge of this short. Did you see the setup? Dude, people want giveaways, but once they get the account, they blow it in 2 seconds because they can't trade it. Learn how to trade it. Come for knowledge and learn how to trade is number one. I've gotten 15 payouts this month. I think things work. Unless I'm just lucky. My lucky coin has been pretty good for me. You know, honestly, like what good is an account if you're just going to blow it? It doesn't do anything. I think people see a free account as a way to make a lot of money, but if you don't have the knowledge to make that money, you're not ever going to do it. I'm sure a lot of people are guessing the bottom or have guessed the bottom on the way down. I would assume. John, it was right there, man. Me too, man. I mean, I made money, but I didn't make this. I didn't make Bro, this could have been wife-changing money. I could have gone in with 35 minis and made wife-changing money. Yo, there you go. I'm going to take one stab at this. Where am I in at? That's a hundy. Come on. That's fine with me. I'm perfectly fine with that. It's going to keep going. I took it off of this. We had a nice little 30-second. And it doesn't mean I'm not going to give it another shot. I want to see it hold here. We start going back down. I'll wait until another setup happens. That's all. Keep the stops tight, you know, and then you're going to let the winner run. That's all. I like that it got back over 25,100. I like that aspect of it. I like the 30-second inversion. And I like that we were bouncing off a breaker. You're not going to win them all. Why can't you enter the raffle? This could be a great bottom, by the way. It gives a little wick under here. Comes back. We get back over 25,100, back over the 9, and you could probably take it up. Dude, here. Go, John. Add yourself. Come on, just wick it. There, wicked it. It at least wicked it. As you cry? Why? What's wrong? Dude, bro, you were in this already. You've been in it. I'm just watching. This is going to run out of steam. Selling's starting to slow down. You got an imbalance right here. Yeah, Steven, I'm waiting. It's exactly what I'm waiting. I can't short it here. You got to be out of your mind. I was in the short up here at 290. We're 240 points down. I can't in my right mind short it here. If you look, man, we take out this low, 25, 21. I'm just watching. I'm watching on my other screen. I want to see a close over 71. Well, here we go. Here we go. I like doing 3 micros because I can grab a little 3 spot and then I can add. You're in the cell? You're trying a long? I'm watching. Is SPX coming up? A break over 47 would be nice. I'll entertain 3 micros. If it makes a newer low, I'm out on it like it just did. It's fucking close to 25,000. Anyone just taking it because it's at 25,000? 988 is previous day high. 988. There you go. 988. There you go. Got my finger on the button. Solid short, Ange. Dude, I was in at the fucking top shorting too. This is crazy. I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting. I imagine, yeah, the gap is filled. Yo, Sean, you and me both, bro. Are you on the 1 or the 30-second? I'm fucking zoomed. I'm not zoomed in enough. Fuck me, man. Broke. Holy shit. Dude, I mean, that's what I look for. It came back over previous day high. This created an outside bar right here. That's fucking bullish as fuck. That's an outside bar where you take the low out and then you close above it. The fact that we didn't continue up is crazy. That's an outside bar that then closed above previous day high. I'm still watching it. Dude, this thing's rejecting here. Previous day high is 988. I'm waiting, Steven. I'll tell you one thing. I just brought up volumetrica. Check the higher time frames. Yeah, you have a fair value gap. Yep. But, you know, it doesn't mean it can't go down 80 points. Yeah, you have an inversion. I get it. I'm not looking for I'm looking for the bounce because at some point it's going to bounce. I agree. 4 hour looks bearish. Definitely looks bearish. Doesn't look good. But it could also bounce here, you know, 100 points. That's what I'm looking for. I can't physically short this here. It's down too far. Yeah, it's over 400 points. This could be it right here. Bro, what is up with my fucking stop, bro? What the fuck? I want this to flip green. I want to get over 51 is what I really want. This thing gets over 51. Go for it. Close over 51. We'll just say I'm in it in my other account too. I'm still in it with a mini. I'm still in it with a mini. Bro, the fact that he can't muster up any energy for that, are you fucking kidding me? Oh my God. I just shorted it real fast. Holy fuck. So the only thing that could happen now is you get one of those W patterns, or you get a double bottom where we hold here and then we end up breaking over here to the upside. Other than that, this is looking shitty. Yeah, we're probably still up based on, yeah, we're still up technically. Don't follow this. I'm playing super small now. See how I have 2 micros? Dude, it's just not, there's just no buying. Holy fuck, there's no buying. I'm going to get stopped. It's fine. This is just going down. I wouldn't even don't even get in front of this. Holy shit. got to go down further now for me. I'm not revenge trading this thing or anything like that. This looked amazing, actually. This was where it was at for me. Honestly, it feels like it's not going to come back over. I don't know, man. We're down so far. Another leg down. I just don't understand how you can short here. Like I just don't understand how you can be like, oh, I'm going to short here. Like, it looks shitty, but like we're down fucking 400 something points from the top. I'm going to just chill. Getting over the 9 would be my first step. Yeah, who's gonna say I gotta short this now? Yeah, this looks like duty, right? Looks like duty. Looks like it's gonna reject right here, right? Let's see. I'll take a fucking watch. Normal circumstances. It's gonna push. There we go. But that was risky as fuck. What are the key levels down here? Dude, we blew through fucking previous week low is another. I mean, this thing's just going for it. I mean, we're about to hit this area from yesterday. What up, Corey? Bitcoin hitting new lows. Yeah, I mean, the craziest part is I literally shorted the top. I literally fucking shorted the top. There you go. I made $342, guys. Oh, and 48. Yep, made about $400 from the top. Bro, how fucking wild is that? I'm gonna sit at some time. At some point, you are gonna get some type of bounce. The bottom will be in for the day, but I'm just gonna watch. I was in at the very top. The only deals that are out there right now, Corey, is Apex. Apex is the only deals out there. I'll say though, like I didn't blow any funded accounts. You know, you're gonna have red days, right? So I'm at the point where if I didn't blow any funded accounts, you know, I'm just kind of hanging. That's how I look at it. Like people are like, oh, like you're not going to be green every day, but it just takes one good move. Yeah, I mean, listen, if you missed it, you missed it. Dude, you got a pivot point at 721. Yo, make that money. Scalping. Kind of like it. Kind of like it. Yo, Captain Crunch. Yo, only need 150 points up to break even. I'll tell you what, if you DCA enough near the bottom, it will come down, your cost basis will come down. I'm trying to look to see which one I used. Yeah, it's this one. Because watch, I go to 5 minute. Before I fucking just dick around and I miss this shit, I'm just watching. Oh, shit. I'm in the wrong fucking account. Fuck me, man. I'm in the wrong. I'm in the wrong fucking accounts. Jesus. I don't. I made $400 in this account, lost in this account. Is this account still in? This account is still fucking in. Oh my God. I should just copy trade them all at once. Fucking so stupid. I want to see this blow back over. Dude, I played that with a mini in this fucking account. I'm gambling. I mean, I just made $400 in this account, but I need to copy trade them all at once is the problem. Nah, it's selling when you're buying. It's buying when you're selling. Haha, red day. I guess. I can literally blow every single fucking account I have, and I'm still up a lot of fucking money this month. And I'm not planning to blow them. See, they never give you the second candle. It's just not is the one that you want to see go over this. Biggest red candle since Trump term? Nah, they had in August, not August, April. When this breaks, it's going to break. Dude, this thing's so fucking oversold. You're sitting right here at this pivot. This thing is just trashed on the fucking MACD and stochastics. Honestly, that's good information you just put in there, John. We are even on the day right now. Yeah, I know. I know, Sean. Oh, this is going to fucking do it here. We going to fucking do it or what? I really want to see it go higher. I'm only taking 3 micros. I plan on taking 9 micros or 12. So this is really 1/4 of what I want. Just an FYI. It's 1/4 of what I want. So I do plan on adding as we go up. Did I just sell out? Oh, wait, I literally just sold out. I don't even know what the fuck just happened there. I got stopped out for $200 gain in that account. This account I'm still in. I bought on this candle break here with a mini in that account. This, I did not do that. I'm not adding until they fucking bring this above the 9. I want to see a close above this fucking 9 is what I really want to see. Show me some strength. They're not. Fucking, it's going to roll. Did it stop me out? I I don't even know what just happened there. I got stopped out. Dude, I'm completely out of this. I'm completely out. I just want to know what my I won't trade these the rest of the day. I'm not going to risk it on this. I don't want to blow my accounts. I'm smart enough not to. So I will wait until tomorrow to trade them, you know? I'll switch to other accounts and that's it. Dude, things have been going so fucking great too. I think you're going lower. I mean, it just fucking, they're not doing anything. It's so funny how you can trade one account the same way as the other account and net different results. So this is my core account that I was clicking the button first. And those are the buttons I was clicking second. This one is up almost $600 and that one is down $1,400. I was playing one mini in this account and I was playing micros in that account. I was moving my stop up in this account. I was not moving my stop up in the other account. Isn't that fucking crazy? How you can play two accounts. What's even wilder is this. So this is Delta. There's buying. There's more green blocks than red blocks, but we're going down. Right? It's very interesting to me. You know, this is dropping and we were flickering on green. There's definitely a divergence. It's something I mean, I'm not making trades off of it. I'm just saying I think it's very interesting. Dude, they just dropped it 150 points. Well, I'm fucking done with these accounts. They're up. I might just go for it later on. But all right, I got to jump off. I got a call in 3 minutes. Not the result we wanted. We've been doing great. And I just own it. Just didn't. I waited. And that's it. Maybe I turn them around today. Maybe I don't. But it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I shorted the top too, Sean. I got $400, and I felt like a fucking champ. So what I might do here is reduce. I just took 2 off the copy trader. So if I do take another trade, it's not all of the accounts. And we'll see what happens. I got to take this. I'll be back at 2:15. All right. Peace.